Wondering how to make the most out of August Learning Solutions' free instructor resources? Then welcome back to Part 3 of August Learning Solutions' 3-part series on utilizing our instructor resources in your course. Today's topic, classroom resources. First off, what are our classroom resources? Our classroom resources include loads of content, like chapter synopses and several types of exercises, including Get Up and Think, Putting It All Together, prioritization activities, classroom activities, and more. These resources were built to enhance student engagement, and we all know student engagement is key to success, both in passing certification exams and in future careers. We give you ideas and exercises, and you can decide how to use them to best fit your course. Now, how can you utilize these resources in your class? Let's look at a few ways. Utilize the Get Up and Think exercises to facilitate teamwork. Divide your class into teams and give each one a different Get Up and Think exercise. Encourage students to role-play, discuss, and work as a team to answer questions about that scenario. Utilize Reflect on This exercises to allow students to reflect on what they have learned. Give your students a Reflect on This scenario, then ask them to role-play how they would deal with that scenario with others in the class. This might include practicing skills like ambulation or using a gait belt, or might test their communication skills, having them practice on their classmates. Utilize prioritization action items to reinforce skills your students have learned. Give each student one prioritization list from the action items. Have them role-play performing the skill on either a mannequin or a classmate, putting the steps together in the correct order to accomplish their task. Utilize Putting It All Together exercises to test knowledge retention. Use these as end-of-chapter quizzes or discussion topics. Ask the class the questions and let students respond individually or in teams. Discuss how and why they came to these answers, and if any are incorrect, allow other class members to explain why. Utilize classroom activities items like presentation prompts, discussion topics, and videos to fill in your hourly requirements and expand on student learning. While we have highlighted only a few ways to utilize our classroom resources in your course, we hope that this inspires you to make the most out of our instructor resources. If you'd like to learn more about August Learning Solutions and how our content can work for you, reach out. We can't wait to work with you.